Good morning. It's currently around 4 in the morning and I'm about to go to the airport because today we are going to Boracay. And the reason for that is because we have a singing engagement there. It's an asean event and I will be singing with a fellow nightingale soprano. Yeah, so I haven't slept because I had to prepare my luggage and I wasn't able to do it during the day because I was so busy with a lot of stuff, and we also had a rehearsal, so yeah, I had to do it all night. Anyway, so I am gonna book a Grab now and head out. So the boys are here. They will be taking care of my brother. He's gonna come all the way from Manila. And the reason why I'm bothering him is because my boyfriend is also going out of town for a work trip. So he won't be able to come over to take care of the boys. I don't know if my brother watches this, but I love you, brother.
Air turbulence may occur during the flight. Kindly use the lavatories designated for your section. Tampering with a lavatory smoke detector
reading lights are found in the service panel located above you.
Knock knock. Welcome to my room. Meron po tayong mirror dito na malaki.
Support.
See us here. Shower. Basta yun.
More
sugar.
Diabetes. Dalawa po yung kama niya, mga kaibigan.
Mag-isa lang po ako dito.
Opo. Yung isa po, ito po.
Madumi.
Yan yung pag madumi siya. Galing sa labas. Ito po yung pag maliligo na po siya. So, hindi niya pwedeng higaan niya.
Hindi na pwede.
I'm her photographer po for today.
Ito po yung view namin.
Dito,
magkapit-bahay lang po.
Dito po kami magpa-practice ng
Actually,
anak
no?
simbila tapang tanga. Muchik ba ude?
Charan!
Doon, somewhere there. We're actually in front. Wow! of the famous grotto. You want to come sa room ko?
Okay.
Wow!
Let's check Ate
Ito
Budget's
po yung other
room.
side. Ito po yung
Connecting flight. Charot. Connecting. Wow. Parallel universe.
Yeah. Stranger Things.
Stranger Things.
So, dito po tayo pag madumi.
Amazing. Yan.
Dito po tayo kapag malinis.
Malinis
Siyempre,
na.
malapit tayo sa window.
Hi, wait. Tingnan mo, oh. Meron pala siyang effect na gano'n, no? Yung...
Ano po kasi ito? Speaker. Ito po,
Ay, copies. Oh my gosh.
Later.
Later. Okay. Copies later. Very good. Wala masyadong
then,
artwork, no?
I have a surprise.
What's the surprise?
Do you yung computer ko there.
Oo.
I brought it here. So we're gonna
What?
set up here.
Totoo ba?
Yeah.
Sige nga, sample.
Sampo set up! So, dinala ko dito yung...
Yeah, may dala po siyang computer.
Dinala ko
Very
computer natin.
diligent.
Kasi dito po kami magpo-practice ni Kay ko.
Yes.
Magpo-practice ng ano?
Meron po kaming dance group.
Yeah.
Dance
We
group.
are called the...
Sex Bomb Junior.
Okay. So that's for today.
That's it
for our tour.
for our room tour. Hi everyone! So we're finally here in Boracay and we have settled in our hotel rooms and I feel so happy right now, even if I'm so tired as well, because I can already see the beach from my balcony and it's so beautiful. I'm so excited to go around later on with my friends / colleagues. Yeah, I actually have the whole room to myself, and the same goes for my colleagues. They have the whole room to themselves as well. And yeah, we feel kind of weird because we're not used to this kind of setup, but I think we're gonna enjoy having some alone time from time to time because I'm an introvert, so I love hanging out with my friends, but I also like to have some alone time. So yeah, this is such a blessing. Praise be to God. I would have thought that I will be going to Boracay anytime soon. So yeah, I mean it's work, but you know what I mean. So we're just resting for a while now, and then we're gonna go out again to have some lunch. So I guess I'm gonna freshen up and. So happy. I'll bring you with me. Okay.
Ito po yung call ko lang.
Hi, Bora. Hello po.
Hi, Bora Bora.
Bora, Bora. Yeah, about to go to. Saan tayo punta?
So,
We're going to
when we are,
Have some lunch.
if you want to join Kiko's vlog, English. Lalabas na si Edita.
taste ng feet na.
Yung, ano po pangalan?
Boracay. Boracay.
Okay, let's go. Ibibilin ka?
Hello.
Give you a practical step in what to do next, which is to look at the cross. Behold the cross. If you've never really meditated.
It's finally time for bed. Praise be to God, because it's been such a long day, like a really long day, but we survived it, and all glory goes to the Lord. And yeah, so dinner went well. I wasn't able to film because I kind of felt like we weren't allowed to, or I was just really shy. But yeah, before we went here, we were briefed that we're not allowed to post before, during, and after the event. And for tonight's dinner, we ate with the members of the production team, and so kind of felt like I shouldn't film. But anyway, it went well. We went to this restaurant called, I actually forgot, but look it up and put it here. But their food was really good. Everything the team ordered, delicious. Yeah, and so after that we walked back to the hotel. We chose to walk. Atipdet, Ketomi, and Sir Jeff, we walked to burn the food that we ate. And then we rehearse a little for the show tomorrow. And yep, it's now time to sleep. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. It's the next day and I just got ready. So I'm about to go down to have some breakfast. I don't know if my colleagues are already in the cafeteria, but let's go.
Yabang.
Hi kids.
Hello.
Hi, happy birthday. Vlogging the vlogger.
Vlogger. Yung bakit na puno? So, 19 years.
Husband.
I'm looking for husband.
I'm looking for hot
Ayun!
husband.
Yan.
Ay, parang gusto ko lang ng ganito. Falafel. Falafel.
Falafel.
Falafel. Tayo sa sa Listen,
Tomas. Umberto.
Umberto. Andiamo.
Ice cream take.
Isipin mo yun, oh.